Hi everyone. Let me start with a few announcements, including the 50th Wacipi, which happens on Friday and Saturday at the Hyslop Sports Center. It's an extraordinary chance to come together to celebrate Indigenous culture through song and dance, and the chance to connect with others. And we'll welcome to our campus members of our tribal communities from across the state and across the region. But it's open to all of us, so we hope to see you there. We also have this weekend the 2022 National Collegiate Drone Racing Championships over at the Pollard Athletic Center on Saturday and Sunday. And this is a chance for our amazing und drone racing team to compete against the nation's very best competition in drone racing. We also have on the 14th of April the SpaceAg Conference, which we're hosting alongside Grand Farm from Fargo. And this SpaceAg Conference is a chance for us to look at how space-based technologies can support agriculture on the surface of the earth, but also to look at how agriculture might be able to be accomplished in space. Exciting opportunities. Let me offer my congratulations to all of our graduating medical students who just last week were assigned or matched to their residencies. And so this represents the next phase of your journey in terms of becoming practicing physicians within your specialties. So congratulations to all. Last week, we saw the end of Women's History Month, a month that allowed us to celebrate the extraordinary accomplishments of women on campus and women across society. There's a number of initiatives that will continue going on throughout the year. The first is the reestablishment of the Presidential Advisory Committee on Women, the PACW, which is a group of women leaders across the campus that will develop ideas and initiatives to make our campus a more welcoming and equitable place for women. In addition, that group is going to look at launching a women's leadership forum where we will bring speakers and offer developmental opportunities for women as they examine their roles as leaders. And then in addition, we're on the beginning stages of a salary survey for our campus. We'll start first with faculty members and then staff members, and we'll look at issues of salary in terms of equity with respect to gender and race and ethnicity, and then ultimately looking at equity with respect to the overall market. And this will give us a chance to examine how our pay treats people fairly and to look for systemic differences in pay and to make sure that we address those. So with that, let me call this video to a close and let you know that next time we're going to have a surprise guest as part of this video. So we'll see you then.